Are you a business owner? Or you started a private practice? Or even that side hustle and you're not having success at the moment? Or you're out of uni with that degree but have no job yet? Or you could be someone who already has a job but you're not seeing that progression that you thought you would have, the one that they always promised you. This one is for anyone who wants to change their fortunes. So let's get into it. So according to Grant Cardone, who is a billionaire and author by the way, the biggest problem that you're facing is obscurity. Yeah, you heard it right. Obscurity. So if people don't know who you are, what you're about, the value you bring to the table, you're basically invisible in this game of success. He basically says it straight. Your biggest problem is being unknown in this vast competitive marketplace that we call life. So picture the world as this vast marketplace where everyone is battling it out for the same resources, opportunities, and yeah, even people's time and money. It's a dog-eat-dog world out here, my friends. And if you're not making noise out here, you're basically falling behind. Let me break it down with a real-life example. Think about two distinct companies in the same field, both of which are competing for the same audience. So company A goes all in, very aggressive advertising, always in your face. And on the flip side, company B is playing it cool, occasionally throwing an ad here and there. Who do you think customers are going to remember and eventually buy from? It's a no-brainer, the one that's constantly in their face, right? So obscurity is a problem many people face. They have a business and they occasionally advertise on their WhatsApp or Facebook. And sadly, many people only do this bare minimum, only when they feel like business is slowing down a bit. No, it's true. After the last video I posted on creating value, link in the description, I had a business owner who approached me. Now his business deals in delivering fresh food from the market to people's homes. And he told me that he was struggling with getting customers and big deals. So I asked him how he promotes his business. He told me that he occasionally posts on his WhatsApp status once in a while. And that's how he promotes his business. Guys, let me be very clear. This is the bare minimum. In fact, you could even argue and say that this is even below the bare minimum. Honestly. So for a lot of people, you want massive results, but you're putting in bare minimum effort into your business. The math is definitely not mathing, for sure. What's even worse is that people who see these bare minimum adverts are going to be your colleagues, your friends, your workmates, who, to be honest, are not really your target audience or your customers. Guys, you need to be consistently more aggressive than this for the results that you want. But also picture this. Two distinct employees with the same skills and qualifications. They're like mirror images on paper. But here's the twist. One is a total go-getter, whereas the other is a quiet achiever. So employee A, the go-getter, is out there hustling, sending those strategic emails, attending every work social event, knowing everyone by name, taking on extra responsibilities as if it's nobody's business. And let's be real, playing the work politics game like a chess master. On the flip side, there's employee B, the quiet achiever. They prefer to let their exceptional day-to-day work speak for itself. The quality of their output is next level, but they are not one to shout about it from the rooftops. Now here's where Grant Cardone's wisdom kicks in. So in that competitive workplace arena, employee A is always in the spotlight. They are building relationships, creating opportunities, and making sure everybody knows them by name. And that's why it's no surprise that they are getting promoted left and right and being recognized for their exceptional performance. Employee B, on the other hand, might be doing the same, if not better work than employee A, but because they're not playing the visibility game, they're often left behind in the promotion race. So what have I learned from this? Applying Grant Cardone's insights, I've realized the importance of balancing exceptional work with strategic visibility in all spheres of my life. Now, speaking of constantly being in people's faces, I've taken a page out of Grant Cardone's book to overcome obscurity in my own life. I've started this YouTube channel where I consistently drop videos on personal finance, mindset, and personal development. Why? Because it's a competitive world. You have to make your mark, and consistency is the name of the game. So I'll make sure I post a video every single week. And hopefully that way, I can stay in your faces. And by the way, a sub to this channel helps me overcome obscurity. So lately, every video I post on YouTube, I make sure to post it in all my WhatsApp groups, on Facebook, and everywhere else that I can share it. To be honest, I've gotten so into people's faces since I started my YouTube channel that I've been kicked out of some of these groups that I've been a part of. I see you guys. So this is not really a problem because through the efforts that I made, those who are really interested in the message that I had to give them subscribed, they followed, they signed up to my free weekly newsletter, which is down in the description. So yeah, I'm gonna keep doing what I need to do because this world is really competitive. And frankly, no one knows me yet, and I'm looking to change that. So if you feel like obscurity is holding you back, it's time to up your game. Get out there, be aggressive in pursuing your goals, and don't let the competitive marketplace intimidate you. So whether it's your career, your business, or your personal brand, consistency and aggression are your secret weapons. So I have some tips that will help you apply this into your life and skyrocket to the top. First up, personal branding. You've got to build your brand. Farm. Get on social media. Showcase your skills and let the world know what makes you unique. It's about creating that online presence that screams, I'm here, and I mean business. I'm about my business. Consistency is key. You can't just drop a bomb piece of content and disappear. Nah, you gotta be in it for the long haul. Keep creating, keep engaging, and keep that momentum going. The more consistent you are, the harder it is for people to forget about you. Don't be shy about self-promotion. I know, it can feel very weird at first putting yourself out there. I get it. But if you're not your own biggest fan, then who will be? Shout about your wins, share your expertise, and let the world know that you are a force to be reckoned with. Networking is another game changer. Connect with people in your industry. Attend those events. Build those relationships. You never know when a connection can open the door to an amazing opportunity. And last but not least, keep investing in yourself. The learning never stops. Take courses, read books, and keep on top of your game. The more you know, the more confident and valuable you become. So there you have it, folks. Straight from Grant Cardone himself. Obscurity is the enemy, my friends. But armed with these tips, I know you'll be on the fast track to success. So you can have the best product, the most money, the best skills, the most qualifications as well. But as long as no one knows about you or what you bring to the table, none of that means anything. So smash that like button, subscribe if you want, and let me know down in the comments how you plan to tackle obscurity in your own life. And until next time, stay hustling. Peace.